In this week's court report, a local man arrested following a shooting at Vince Neal's Tatuado Wildside Bar now has a pretrial hearing scheduled on March 30th. Jack Freeland Allen is facing battery with use of a deadly weapon and assault with a deadly weapon charges for allegedly shooting at a bar patron and a bartender who kicked him out of the bar for being disorderly. Allen reportedly shot the bar patron in the foot as he fled the scene. During his pretrial hearing, Allen's public defender motioned for a preliminary hearing as the state's offer is being rejected. That prelim was later converted to a pretrial hearing. Allen's attorney also motioned for an OR release or bail reduction, but was denied, and Allen remains in custody. The local man with 4 open cases in justice court and 1 with charges still pending, who is facing charges including 2 instances of domestic battery with different dates of occurrence and aggravated stalking and battery simple charges, has 2 court proceedings scheduled March 27th. David Tassler has a bench trial on that date in connection to both of his domestic battery charges and his battery simple charge. During Tassler's pretrial hearing, the court received a signed substitution of counsel, and the defendant's new attorney said there are no negotiations and motioned for a bench trial. Tassler also has a preliminary hearing on March 27th for the aggravated stalking charge, for which he remains in custody, $20,000 bond or $10,000 cash. Tassler was arrested in connection to a woman being hospitalized after she was found unconscious lying in the roadway near Simpkins Road and Leslie Street. 2 Las Vegas women arrested in Pahrump after a 3rd suspect kidnapped an 82-year-old man who was with them have had their charges amended. Alice McCullum and Erica McCrory are now charged with possession of drugs which may not be introduced into interstate commerce. Following both defendants' pretrial hearing, McCullum and McCrory signed a payment plan agreeing to pay $100 a month until all payments are made in full to the court. Both defendants were previously released on OR and now have a status hearing January 30th next year. And the Pahrump man arrested after inquiring if Sergeant Berukowitz would accept money to look the other way while the suspect grew marijuana in Amargosa Valley will be in court again Thursday. During Robert Samuel Barron's pretrial hearing, his public defender told the court that an offer has been conveyed but is being rejected at this time due to lack of discovery regarding an audio disc, presumably of the alleged incident, which was reported to have been recorded. A motion for OR release was denied, so Barron's remains in custody, $25,000 cash or bond. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.